Hello to everyone from RADE Garage. The KTM 690 Enduro, it's a bike we like a lot and we have really great experiences with it. Mainly we like it for its universality. Yeah, you can use it in a pretty demanding off-road riding, like for instance Hellas Rally, Dinaric Rally, but you can do also road transfers when needed, for instance in Europe or as we did in South Africa. Yeah, but still, we wanted to push it even farther. So we developed several independent kits to make this bike even more convenient for the adventure riding and for hobby rally riding. Let me speak about the already 5th generation of the KTM 690 fairing kit from RADE Garage that gives you in a summary good wind protection, strong LED headlights and space for navigation. This fairing kit is nothing from the shelf. It was designed from the scratch to match the size of the motorbike. We tried to make it as compact as possible, even having the navigation in great viewpoint, yes, so still is not disturbing the rider even in harder terrain. And last but not least, we try to match the overall design of the motorbike so you have the feeling like it comes from the factory. The main innovation and differentiator of the KTM 690 fairing kit from RADE Garage is the carbon tower. We have used our previous Dakar experiences to design it in a way that it's stiff, stable, but it has also a certain amount of flexibility to absorb the vibrations and shocks when riding the hard terrain. And on top of it, we made it as light as possible. The carbon tower itself has only half kg, which is significantly lighter than any competitive solutions, which helps a lot to the handling of the motorbike, because we are speaking about something what is located in front and on top of the motorbike. The tower is made from carbon prepreg under high pressure temperature in the autoclave. Actually the same technology as is used in aviation, Formula 1 or Dakar factory bikes. To get the best combination of the stiffness, flexibility and low weight, we use the variable amount of carbon layers. The base are 3 carbon layers, and wherever you see the holes, we further reinforce this area. And especially the neck part, where you connect to the frame of the motorbike, we use 8 layers of carbon, and these 4 holes are further reinforced with the stainless steel metal inserts. And one more remark, all the holes are coming directly from the mold. It means we are not disturbing the structure of the material by drilling. We fully trust the quality and durability of the ERG carbon tower. So we give you the lifetime guarantee. Even if you have bad luck and you hit a rock and destroy it, we will change it for you like this. The safety feature of our fairing kit are the strong LED headlights, the high beam and low beam. They have together the input of 70 watts and 6000 lumens, which is more than double in comparison to the original halogen lamp. We are getting this great performance because of high quality Cree chipsets and true glass optics. These headlights are road legal. They are ECE certified for the complete Europe, and you will get the copy of the certificate together with the fairing kit. When designing this fairing kit, the durability and endurance was a very important parameter for us. So we tried to select the materials and design it in a way that it is as much crash-proof as possible. The windshield, as well as the side panels, are made from pretty durable Lexan material that is very flexible and not easy to crack. The windshield holders sits on a silent blocks that absorbs the vibrations and some of the shocks. In the end, the fairing kit is very stable, even if you ride on the stones or in hard terrain. But also it has good portion of flexibility to absorb some of your crashes and increase the probability you will come home in one piece. We do many travels on this motorbike ourselves, so we know how important it is to have enough space for navigation and in good viewpoint. That's why the tower comes with a white crossbar. The crossbar is mounted on the silent blocks that reduce the micro vibrations and protects your navigation devices. To simplify the mounting of your devices to the crossbar, we give you within the kit this platform, so-called Garmin adapter, with the dimensions directly compatible with the RAM mount or the original Garmin cradle. You have three options, one horizontal and two vertical options, how to get your device into the best viewpoint. As you can see, in a cockpit can fit in a good viewpoint the big tablet or the handset next to a Garmin device. We cannot forget, each device needs to be charged, and the tower is also ready for that. Here is the original outlet to recharge, for instance, your phone. If you have Carpater or Garmin with this original charger, it can be put through into the tower and connected to the original power source. One more benefit you get with the RG fairing kit is the adapter for the Scott's damper. So if you have it already, you simply bolt it on and you improve the handling of the motorbike in sand, mud or stony terrain. With the 690 fairing kit from RADE Garage, in daily use you should feel more comfortable on road transfers, more safe when riding at the night, and never get lost having the navigation under your nose. And moreover, it's all wrapped in attractive RADE design, so you can feel like a pro rider even on your adventure trips. If you like it, please order on our e-shop.